How important is the treating of a recording space? Very important. It's one of the most important things that you could focus on. It's more important than the mic you choose, for sure. Because if you have a $30 mic, it's going to make your room sound, if your room is treated poorly, it's going to make your room sound horrible. But a $5,000 mic is going to make your horrible room sound even more horrible. So treating your space, meaning moving or reducing that noise, whatever's causing the noise, away from your microphone, making sure that the walls around you are treated. Because remember that your voice is a vibration. When you're speaking, that vibration is going to bounce off of anything near it, causing echo or reverberation, right? So treating your walls, your desktop space, the floor underneath you, the ceiling above you, the walls behind you, in front of you, to the side of you,